Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today's video will be a basic tutorial on how to use Threads on Android. So coming back to it, if you do not have Threads already installed on your mobile phone, then what you're going to do is go to your Play Store and then go to the search button and type in Threads, and then it will be the first option available. If you already have it installed, then it will just come up with an open button, but if you do not have it, then there will be an install button. Just click on it and it will be installed on your mobile phone. So coming back, opening Threads, you will see that Threads is directly connected with your Instagram account. So as you open Threads, this is the home page of Threads. As you can see here, it is of a scrollable nature, just like Twitter. So as you scroll down, you can see various posts. So you could like a post by clicking on the heart like button. You could also comment on it if you follow that account, but if you do not, then you cannot do that, as you can see here. So you could also repost the post. If you click on the repost option, then it would directly be on your profile. You could also click on the send like option, and it will provide you with a list of your friends that you could send it to, or you could also copy the link. As you can see here, the link has been copied, and you could also click on the share button and share it via different social medias. As you can see here, there's Instagram, Messenger, email, and such. Or you could also click on the three dots at the top left of every post, and if you click on the three dots, then it will provide you with a bunch of options. If you click on the save like option, then it will directly save it to your profile, and if you click on the not interested option, then it will hide that post from you. You could also click on the undo to unhide it again, and if you click on the mute button, then it will immediately mute all of the posts from that person. And you could also block the person by clicking on the block, and then you could again click on the block option in order to block him. And you could also click on the report button, and it will show you with a list of possible reasons why you report the person. Just click on one and continue if you want to. And as you can see here, there are other different posts that I could scroll upon and look back onto. And now as I click on the plus like button, then it will immediately lead me to have a very new post of my own. I could type in anything to update my status, or if I click on the gallery like option, then it will immediately lead me to my gallery to have any photos uploaded. I need to allow it, give the permission. If I click on the GIF like button, then it will lead me to a bunch of different options of GIFs that I could upload. I could also search different GIFs, and as you can see here, these are all of the relevant GIFs. I could also click on the three dashes to have a very new poll. I could have a topic of poll. For example, this is the topic that I am choosing for now. So this poll basically shows on other people's profile where they could vote for different options. For example, here's a yes, no, and I could also add another option after clicking on the add another option. So as you can see here, this is everything about the poll. And now I could also click on the cross button and save it to drafts. If I click on the search like button, I could search the thread account of other people. For example, now I just typed in KY, and this is the thread account of Limmy. So if I click on follow, I will follow him on Threads. I could also unfollow him by clicking on the same button again. I could click on mention, then I could mention him in any of my personal threads that show upon my profile that he will be notified about. So as you can see here, this person is all about college admissions, so I'm asking something relevant. If I click on the Insta account icon, then it will immediately lead me to his Insta account. If I click on the bell-like icon at the middle, then it will notify me about all of his potential posts. And if I click on the three dots, then it will give me with all of these options. I could either copy the link to his profile, or share it via different social medias, know about his profile, or restrict him, block him, mute him, anything so that. So as you can see here, these are all of the options. I copied the link earlier. Now if I just scroll on to his profile, there are all of the past posts that he has posted, all of the threads, all of the replies to people, and all of the requests. So as you can see here, there are also different recommendations of people profiles that are similar to his, that the people that mostly follow him also follow like these. So now as I come back to the heart like option, it has showed me with all of my past notifications. So these are my requests, these are all of the notifications. And now as you can see here, these are all of the suggested for you. These are all of the profiles of the people that I might know that I have mutuals with. And if I click on the replies, I have none, but if you do, then it will obviously show there, and all of your notifications. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and and learned something from it, then please make sure to subscribe the videos for more videos like this so that you can keep learning. Thank you.